Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to respond to buyer inquiries on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like, of course. And in the top right corner, we have the sell now, we have the messages, likes, and here in the top right corner, we have your profile, purchases, and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and respond to buyer inquiries on Depop. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically, you aim to respond to messages as quickly as possible. Buyers appreciate timely responses. Always use polite language and maintain a professional tone. Answer their questions clearly and provide any additional information they might need. If you can fulfill a request, such as holding an item, explain why politely. For common questions, you can create response templates to save time. For example, if a buyer asks if you can hold an item, you might respond with, "Hi, I'm sorry, but I don't do the holds. Feel free to purchase whenever you're ready." If they ask about shipping times, you could say, "Hi, your item will be shipped within 2 business days. I'll provide you with the tracking information once it's shipped." So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.